Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I am truly excited. I didn't know I had this in me, but remember when I hauled these paper clips for you guys and I said, I didn't know what I was going to do with them. I just bought them because I liked them. And I don't remember who it was, but somebody said make planner clips. I'm like, okay, I could do that. And it's been a minute since I had purchased these, and I had been surfing YouTube to find out, to see what some of the designs people had been doing. So I said, you know what, let me think about it. And then something said, what they say, you had an aha moment. So steampunk themed clips. Say, because I was just thinking, I said, well, I don't know if anything would match this copper color. And, I didn't even think that this stuff would match it until I put it together. But I've had these filigree pieces forever. And when I mean forever, I'm talking years forever. Excuse me. And I said, well, let me pull these out and see if I could create something. I even had some earrings that were had some filigree butterflies and some skeleton leaves, and I still don't know where my other skeleton leaves at, because I have some large skeleton leaves that are silver. But let me show you these right quick. This was the first one I did, and I just think it was so cute. Filigree piece. I think this is Tim Holtz. Some of these things are from a scrapbook store, and I think it's Tim Holtz. I'm not sure, but most of it is I got these from the filigree pieces I picked up at Etsy years ago. This chain is from that earring I was telling you guys about. That little pearl is from the Michael's pearls or whatever. But this is the first paper clip that I created. And I just thought it was the cutest thing, so I decided to do another one. And this is the second one that I did. And this piece right here is one of the pieces off the earring, that skeleton leaf, as well as this chain right here. And I think this clock thing right here, I think that came from Etsy as well. I'm not sure. I may have gotten it at the Scrapbook Expo. But yeah, these are all... they're all metal, and this is my definition of steampunk. So I got two more here that I want to try to put together for you. I got my E6000. I got my clips. I got these things right here and pliers. Now, the one thing that I didn't learn was that to put the chain on first before you start, because it just makes it a lot easier. So let me first, before I even get into these base pieces, let me get this chain on this one right here. Oh Lord, I put the pearl in, and apparently the glue seeped out and stuck to the back of this, and this is what that piece looks like. So I'm just going to double this chain up because I didn't want it that long, and I don't want to cut it or break it or whatever. So let me see if I could just double it up on here on the jump ring that you can't see me do anything right now. There we go. And I'm just going to put it through the hole that's already in this piece right here. I think I'm going to put it this way. I'll put it this way. Well, you know what? Let me take this, because this will probably help out a lot. And those are the babies out here playing. And I'm just going to close these two up. Okay. And let me check on the babies. Okay. So I got the chain in right here. And now we're going to work on the base. And to do the base, I got another filigree piece. Let me pull it from over here. And this is the biggest piece that I have right here. And what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the base of my paperclip. And I'm actually going to glue this to here like such. And it will also act as the decoration or the finishing part for the back piece. And as you can see, I'm almost out of my E6000. So we're going to put some E6000 just on the middle part of this. Can you see what I'm doing? I hope you can. So we're going to just put it right there. And I'm going to put it on here. Let me see. About right there. And I'm going to actually put it somewhere to dry. Because, you know, it takes this stuff. I like to let it dry actually overnight. But I'm going to put it somewhere so I can let it dry. And then we're going to start on another one. So let me see. I'm going to turn it upside down actually. But hopefully I can get it to stay that way. So give me just a second. Let me adjust this. Alright, so what I've done is just put a couple of paper clips, binder clips on to hold this in place for a while. But I've already done one to start my base with. So now I'm just going to take some pieces that I've selected already and just adhere them to the base. And I could actually put the pieces together first and then adhere the whole piece to the base. But I'm going to try it this way. This is the way I've been doing it. And I think I want to put it at like at an angle, kind of like that. So let me see if I can get half of it. If that'll get it. Like so. So yeah, I may have to, because I'm off centering this, I may have to find some way to hold this in place till it gets kind of tacky. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna hold this in place or put something on it so it can dry tacky or enough to hold, and then we'll keep building. Okay. Alright, this is the one that I put the binder clips on. It hadn't been but a few minutes, 15, 20 minutes, 30 tops, but it has adhered enough so that I can work on it. The other one, however, that piece is a lot heavier, so that one may have to dry overnight, but we're gonna at least do this one, okay? And I got these pieces for that one. I selected these pieces right here. And we're just gonna, see, and this thing right here is kind of heavy as well, so it may take a while for this to dry, but we're gonna see. And I just put this on here some kind of way that I think I would like it. You know, nothing fancy schmancy, just something that I may like. Have this little piece hanging out like that. Like along this lines. So what I'm gonna do is let me see if I can zoom in a little bit better. Yeah, oops, I think that's better. And I'm gonna see if I can't adhere this down while you guys watch and see if we can get this in place. So I'm just going to put this E6000 on half of this because I want the other half to hang off the base. And yeah, I'm putting a lot. I may not even need this much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So I'm going to put it about right here. And then, let's see, we're going to take this thing. Let me see, I'm going to put this, I'm trying to see how much, I think I'll put it like that. Bring it over a little bit. And put this under, maybe like right there. So let me get this. I'm gonna put some E6000 on this skeleton leaf. And I want it kind of poking out at the top. Let me see how this flower. Let's see. I'm recording. Okay. Let me see. Okay. I think right there is good. Oops. Sorry about that. Put some E6000 there. And I'm going to put this on here. And I do want the flower to hang over here a little bit, so I can have a little decorative, this little thing right here. And I think this is, I think I got this piece actually at the hardware store, like not hardware, but like Home Depot. And I'm just gonna place it somewhere on here. You know what? And I saw this. This was in the stash where the other filigree pieces were. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna add it onto here too. I'm like, why not? Maybe turn it around this way. So, you know what? Why not? So I'm gonna put it on at least half of this right here. And this right here. And we're just gonna put it down right here. And push this over. There we go. And then we're gonna let this dry. Probably overnight. And then I will come back and show you what it looks like. All nice and dried. There we go. Let me zoom out some. Oops, wrong way. There we go. And this is what this one is looking like. So we're gonna let both of these dry overnight, and then we're gonna come back and finish them up. Okay. Okay, it's been about an hour, and so this seems to be adhered enough so I can finish this project right here. Let me see if I can zoom in some. Take it in just enough. Right there. Okay. And this is how I'm going to put this back together. Well, it ain't back together. Put this together. Put the two leaves like so. I'm wondering if I should just put this like that and just leave this piece off. But let me see. So you don't get any of the clock if I do that, because I do want some of the clock to show. So I think I'm gonna leave this off. See, like this one, it has some of the clock showing up here. So that's how I'm gonna do this. So let me just get the E6000 put some right there. And then I'm just gonna put some on the back. Oops, I'm sorry. Put some on the back and put it right here. And if I come up with something to put right there, I will, but for right now, this is gonna be it. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit because I don't want it to interfere with the chain. When the chain comes down like that. So this back out. Okay, this would be bookmark altered paperclip steampunk version. This would be number 4. I'm gonna let these dry overnight, of course. And of course, you know, I'm gonna need y'all help again. What do you think I could sell these for at the craft fair? Let me know, because I truly have absolutely no idea. So I'm interested in what you guys think. I may be able to do 6 of these. I have some more. I have some leftover filigree pieces, but it's kind of sketchy, really. You know, I got, you know, these type pieces, and this, you know, this right here, and flower too. Maybe I can find some more other things. Maybe I can find some keys or something somewhere. I don't know. But I'm going to see if I would like to do 10. So I have an even number. I don't. If I could do 10, I think I'd be good. So, again, give me your suggestions on what you would charge or you think would be a good price to charge for these steampunk inspired altered jumbo paper clips, i.e. bookmarks. Alright? Alright guys, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye, little bugs.